Hello guys and welcome back to SOP Academy. So in this new video we have off-campus hiring updates from two companies. The first company is Color Tokens and the second one is McAfee. So first we'll start with Color Tokens. So Color Tokens is hiring through MyAnatomy platform. So first they have given a note that is, please do not apply if you have already given the online assessment for Color Tokens last week. Your profile will not be considered. So all those people who have applied previously should not apply again. So the role they are offering is member of technical staff or QA engineer. So there are basically two roles. The job type is full time. The CTC being offered here is 7 LPA. The eligibility criteria, only the 2021 batch is eligible. From BE BTech, ME Tech, branches eligible are CS, IT, IS, Computer Network Engineering and Cyber Security. You must have at least 8 or above CGPA in graduation and 75% above in 10th and 12th. The location is going to be Bangalore. There will be no service bond or agreement. Product and technology domain they have mentioned, like security domains such as network security, application security, cloud technology such as AWS, Azure, microservices, Kubernetes, then operating systems such as Windows, Unix, Mac, Solaris, then programming languages such as C, C++, Python, Java. So these are the domains in which you will be working. The skills they are asking for is knowledge of C, C++, Python, Java, Node.js, UI, AI, ML, testing, then strong understanding of computer concepts including DSA, operating system. Then good to have, you have been exposed to networking protocols like TCP or IP. The roles and responsibilities, you will be a key member of the development team, the next generation software as a service based zero trust cybersecurity solution. So you will be working across the entire product lifecycle and you will be either involved in development or testing. So the selection process, first there will be an online test followed by a technical interview and at last HR interview. You simply have to fill the first, you will enter your email ID and then verify it. Then you will enter your name, your current city and all the details. And then at last you will click on the agree button and click on submit. The second company is McAfee. So McAfee is hiring for the role of software development engineer. The location is Bangalore. This job was posted on 26th of August. So already 5 days have passed. So you must apply as soon as possible. This is the apply now button. The job ID is mentioned for the referral purposes. So you can use the job ID if you want referral from employees. Now we will see the eligibility criteria. 0 to 1 plus years of experience with common software development practices such as code reviews, defect analysis with an emphasis on development and sustaining responsibilities. You must have excellent programming and technical skills in at least 3 of the following such as Python, Groovy, PowerShell, Java, JavaScript or Gradle. So any of the 3 you must have knowledge of. Should have very good knowledge on CI/CD tools like Jenkins and Docker. Good knowledge, problem solving and debugging skills. Must have good knowledge of continuous delivery methodology and experience delivering software using continuous delivery principles. You must also have good understanding on Microsoft Windows operating systems and also Unix, Linux or Mac. They have also mentioned about the role. I have provided the link for both the companies in description, so you can come and read everything briefly. So apply now button is here. You just have to simply click on it and apply with the form. So if you encounter any problem, you can comment down in the video. I will let you know the answer to your query. So that is all for this video. See you soon in the next video.